Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex robot traders. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Trading robots are not particularly rare. It seems as though there's a new one launched every week. In this video, we are going to be going through some of the best Forex robot traders to help you make an informed choice. It is important to check these bots out for yourself before trading with them fully. After all, some of them can be riddled with risks and problems that can turn your trades into disasters. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex robot traders can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when looking for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy robot to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex robot traders. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Premium FX Signals. Premium FX Signals is considered the best signal provider for reliability and proper risk management. The company is known for delivering consistent, accurate Forex signals with its robot technology, which can be used for automated or manual trading. FX Signals places importance on risk management, providing solid tips with every signal they send to subscribers. Besides trade entry and exit prices, stop loss and take profit levels, and recommended minimum investment amounts, FX Signals monitors the markets for drawdowns, providing emergency alerts to close the trades when they predict a market downturn. FX Signals offers Forex and cryptocurrency trading software, which uses advanced digital and financial technology to ensure transparent, accurate, and secure access to the world's largest financial market. FX Signals offers a wide range of currencies in the market, including the Euro, US dollar, and Great British Pound. At number 4 on our list is BinBot Pro. BinBot Pro is considered the best platform for binary options investors due to its artificial intelligence trading algorithm built specifically for binary options. The entire process of Forex trading is automated by BinBot Pro, including research, analyzing charts, predicting market moves, and monitoring trends. Its advanced analysis technology has helped binary options traders to make a steady stream of profits off of the accuracy of its automated bots. What makes them stand out is that there is more than one bot to choose from to do the heavy lifting based on your Forex trading strategy and income goals. While the process is automated, you still have a choice of when to trade, the number of trades, and also the spend on each trade session. According to the company, some traders have seen as much as a 125% return on their investment. With BinBot Pro, you get access to a variety of different robots available under the BinBot umbrella. Depending on how much you want to spend, it allows you to integrate with various brokers, and this platform claims to be one of the best performing trading robots. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Learn to Trade. Learn to Trade provides Forex trading signals, online day trading courses, and supports all traders from beginners to experienced professionals. This Forex trading signal provider is considered to be one of the best due to the 92% success rate traders experience on average with this platform. According to Learn to Trade, the success rate amongst traders using their signals in 2019 was 92% out of a total of 2,860 active traders. Putting money where its mouth is, Learn to Trade provides a 100% money-back 30-day guarantee if you believe their automated system did not help you. Traders can choose from a variety of subscriptions over 1, 3, or 6 months, depending on your budget. Learn to Trade offers real-time signal notifications, and immediate alerts are sent to a trader's email address and mobile phone. They include possibly the best set of educational tools of all robot traders, including how-to manuals for beginners all the way up to professionals. Learn to Trade also offers users the ability to trade in all cryptocurrencies and Forex options. At number 2 on our list is FX MasterBot. FX MasterBot scans thousands of cryptocurrency and Forex markets throughout the trading day and alerts you instantly if the algorithm spots a trading opportunity. The system is only available on the FX MasterBot web platform and can be set to automated mode, which means it can place the entry and exit orders automatically when there is a new signal. However, you can also trade manually through any other Forex broker of your choice. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex robot traders, we have Algo Signals. Algo Signals offers Forex and cryptocurrency signals, which according to the platform provider, averages what are considered large returns of 2% daily. With 3 plans to choose from, including Novice, Expert, and VIP, which differ in minimum deposits and access to currency pairs, you will receive relevant trading suggestions throughout the day. What is great about Algo Signals is that you can use a demo account to test out trades based on their signals, which provide entry and exit points for you to base your decisions on. By trading on the demo account, you will be able to evaluate the platform for yourself without having to risk your own capital. You will be able to minimize your risk as long as you install the recommended stop loss and take profit orders. When you are ready to trade for real, Algo Signals has partnered with licensed brokers to make sure that you have the best trading conditions. On its quest to provide the best conditions to trade, they have a live data streaming service on the Algo Signals platform that gives you the latest market changes as they happen, so you can quickly adjust your trading strategies. With Algo Signals, you get access to over 100 signals on a daily basis. They offer access to a choice of reputable firms where the intuitive trading signals software works optimally. Algo Signals can also be automatically set up in Virtual Private Network or VPN mode, and traders have the flexibility to choose to manually trade the signals or can switch to the fully automated mode. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex robot traders on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.